passion is not just about our fulfillment from the activities we enjoy. It engages us in what we do in our lives and exposes us to its diverse opportunities. We may go about our lives in ways that we find self fulfilling, but our actions are much more than that. For example, I love history, but I don't study it just because I love it. I'm as curious of the mysteries of ancient Harappa or United States foreign relations as I am passionate about using history to understand the modern day and help address its many, many issues. But by far, what I am most proud of is my passion towards addressing the climate crisis. There's a recent project I've been working on that I'd like to show. Come on.
In this ongoing project, I investigate the relationship between crop production and rising temperatures. I not only engaged with my passion for solving climate change, but I also grew my abilities in new areas, overcoming many challenges. For one, I taught myself the essentials of programming, learning Python specifically. I was hoping to use it for analyzing data. From this, I familiarized myself with the database of Kaggle. And it was in fact when looking through its datasets that I thought of the idea of comparing crop production and rising temperatures. I was worried my inexperience with coding would inhibit my progress, and I wasn't wrong either. I struggled immensely, but I didn't let this deter me, as my desire to use programming to help address climate change pushed me along the way. Eventually, I applied what I was learning and successfully harnessed Python to create a histogram of temperature changes over time. I was also surprised to find myself improving the area of data science. I learned how tedious it could be to sift through data and transfer data from one spreadsheet to another. However, I liked this because it actually compelled me to think critically about what I needed to do to solve my problem. I was elated whenever I got the result I was looking for, whether it was a scatter plot of crop outputs or a normal distribution of temperature changes. The trends of the data could be easily delineated to me in an otherwise obscure sea of numbers.
There was something so satisfying about organizing all those swaths of data. I felt like a logician meticulously assembling the pieces of a complex puzzle. Overall, this project has been a lot more than just my passion for addressing global warming. I've learned to harness new skills and manage the setbacks that come alongside that. In turn, I've been able to bolster my self-confidence and become more excited about the new opportunities life can offer. But, sitting at a computer all day gets tiring, so I always make sure to do other things. Let's go outside. Outdoors, I compost my school's cafeteria food, which can be very labor intensive, especially when the buckets can exceed 60 pounds. But I relish in this because it's for a good cause. Being hands-on really makes it easy to see how my hard work pays off for everyone, and I find that amazing. In any journey, there is always a struggle, be it difficult software or heavy bins. But perseverance always leads to success, which can mean much more than a regression line. It can mean making the world a better place. But sometimes, it's important to enjoy our passions just for the sake of self-fulfillment. No pain, no gain, but no rest and no success.